Voting is underway in the Bagalkote and Davanagere South Assembly by-elections, with polling stations opening early this morning and voters turning out in significant numbers. In Bagalkote, prominent candidates including BJP's Veeranna Charantimath and Congress Umesh Meti exercised their franchise along with family members. Veeranna Charantimath casted his vote accompanied by his wife and son, while Umesh Meti voted in his native village Timmapur. Large crowds, particularly young voters, were seen queuing enthusiastically at polling stations such as Ambedkar Bhavan and Sakri High School, reflecting strong participation in the early hours. Veeranna Charantimath urged voters to exercise their rights freely without being influenced externally, noting that officials had been informed about outsiders attempting to sway voters. Election authorities have deployed tight security, including police and paramilitary forces, to ensure smooth polling. However, chaos was reported in the Bagalkote by-election, particularly in Aminagarh, where voters forced a lack of basic facilities. Voters experienced difficulties due to the absence of drinking water arrangements, while many people struggled under the scorching sun due to the lack of shade at polling locations. An elderly woman standing in the queue reportedly fell ill due to the harsh conditions and later collapsed. Locals immediately came forward to assist her and arranged for her to be shifted for medical treatment. Davanagere South. Voting commenced at 7 p.m. across 284 polling booths, with early turnout reaching 22.01% by mid-morning. Key candidates in the fray include Congress Samarth Shamanur and BJP Srinivas Dasakariappa. Authorities confirmed that all arrangements, including EVM setups and security measures, were in place to facilitate a safe and orderly voting process. Both by-elections are being closely watched as the result could influence the political balance in Karnataka. Voters are casting their votes using EVMs, with election officials monitoring the process closely to ensure compliance with regulation. Authorities continue to urge voters to visit polling stations and exercise their franchise responsibly.